Welcome to my channel Daily Sana with the new gadgets and appliances that you need in your home for be more clean and organized. Of course, as usual, we will say amazing tools, ideas, and one of the advantages of this gadget is they save time and effort and help you to use small spaces in the house or kitchens. You can find all these gadgets at Amazon, IKEA or AliExpress. If you need any gadget of this video, please show me that in comments. Appliances presented in this video, you can download the AliExpress application or Amazon. And if you have small spaces in your house, I suggest this perfect organizer for organizing small objects. If you need link of some gadgets, you can show my first comments. Please don't forget to like this video for more gadgets. Also, I suggest this cereal dispenser. It's important in your kitchen. Also, the stainless steel mixing bowls with great wrapper that helps wrap up your leftover food quickly and easily. You maybe need this card organizer for appliances. It's really important in your house. If you need link of any gadget, please show me that in comments. This wonderful gadget for organizing the kitchen and kitchen drawers. You will find them on Amazon or AliExpress. Organizer for everyone who wants to order these tools, I advise you to download the application on the phone, and in the search box you can write the things you want, such as drawer organizer for example, and the application will suggest to you all the existing gadgets with price. It's really simple and easy. Food peeling to peel vegetables easily. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video to friends for more gadgets. Every kitchen needs this wonderful peeler to peel vegetables and fruits quickly and without danger to the hand. Really, this smart gadget is so important for any kitchen. What do you think? For anyone who suffers from the problem of tissue paper or hair in clothes during washing, I suggest this simple machine that collects all the dirt inside and keeps the laundry clean.